Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. Okay, so for those who want to know what you will learn in purchasing or getting our bundle course, which is a combination of getting the digital product selling course plus the multiple sources of income online course for moms. So definitely you will be able to learn from both of these courses kasi a bundle package na siya. So you will definitely learn about digital product selling. What are the digital products that you can sell online? How to create your own digital products and how to start your digital product selling business. How to also resell this online course, which is the digital product selling course, and start earning, and also how to promote your products in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and also how to create your own sales funnel that you can use for other business ideas and income opportunities. Now, what you will also learn naman from the multiple sources of income online course, if you're a mom, is that you can learn about online income generating ideas such as the freelancing, digital product selling, which you can learn from purchasing also this digital product selling course. Kaya maganda talaga to combine these two package, ang bundle course namin, wherein you will learn about digital product selling and then combine it in learning the different multiple sources of income that you can create as a mom. You'll also learn how to be a real estate agent, learn about being a financial advisor, about online dropshipping, e-commerce, online selling, network marketing, and on how you can start your own consultancy services or your coaching services with our MSI course or yung multiple sources of income na online course natin. So this is what you are going to learn if you will purchase or take advantage of our bundle course promo kasi you're getting the digital product selling course plus the multiple sources of income online course. So for those who wants to purchase our bundle course that includes the digital product selling online course and multiple sources of income for moms online course, just click the link on my TikTok profile if you are on TikTok, but if you are watching this from YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and click the bundle course, digital product selling and multiple sources of income for moms, the one that you're seeing on your screen. If you have any questions or any concerns or any inquiries, you can contact me on my contact details that you're seeing below so that I can help you or assist you in purchasing our online courses. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group where you can join and you can interact or connect with other moms who are also on their way of building multiple sources of income. And you can get ideas as well or engage with them so that we could build up and encourage one another as moms in starting our online businesses and creating multiple sources of income. So I'm looking forward to see you in our Facebook group community for Wealthy Moms Club and also looking forward in you purchasing our online courses that will definitely help you as a mom and someone who wants to really get started in putting up their own online businesses. Thank you and God bless.